So, yeah, fuel prices have changed in Spain again. So they'd implemented, when it was the crisis, a reduction on the VAT. So it really did bring prices down. It was always going to come to an end, and they haven't stabilised back to the prices that they were. I can tell you that I've seen 139 a couple of days ago when it still had the tax reduction on there. Now that has ended as of, however, they have still left a discount, 20 cents, I think it is, 15-20 cents for a month, and then the month after that it'll reduce by 5 cents, from 5 cents by 5 cents for the next 3 months basically. So yes, they've gone up a little bit, but not back to where they would have been. So I've seen obviously those two petrol pumps. Discounted one was a 154. So I'm coming up to the first petrol station on the way into the school run today, and as you can see, this is a budget one. Let's go off diesel. 154 Repsol Morva premium, although still not very good in my opinion. Coming into San Miguel here, which is a sort of larger village, so it's got a Repsol, obviously more premium. What we're on, 157 for normal diesel. So there's still a lot less than what, €2.05, I think the highest I've ever seen in Spain. But if you were to take that price and add the 20 cents on, that would mean we were on about 174 from a budget one, which is still a lot cheaper than other places in Europe, that's for sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the petrol station that I use that's cheap. I've never had any issues with this fuel, and see what the price is there, because that was the one that was 139. So it'll give us a good example of how many p's or cents it has risen. Just coming down, if anyone's interested, I'm in the Costa Blanca. So the last place was San Miguel, where the prices are found. This is a place called La Fuente, which is near Campoamor, Cabaroy sort of way. So there you go, that's 146. So it's only 7 cents more since they've removed the tax reduction. So 7 cents more expensive. I think a lot of us can live with that, can't we? Good old Spain for doing that though. It is really good, because I know a lot of other countries, or most other countries, have not done anything to help the fuel prices at all. And you could argue that some have made it worse. But let's take it as a positive. Hope that the prices of fuel start coming down before these price changes get removed again.